Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a fragrance that has certainly caught my attention, Burberry My Black Eau de Parfum. This is a floral perfume designed for women, boasting notes of jasmine, rose, amber, and patchouli. It comes in a 3 fluid ounce bottle and promises a long-lasting scent experience, aligning with Burberry's reputation for luxury and elegance. Now, let's talk about what's inside this bottle. The heart of this perfume centers on classic florals, jasmine and rose, blended with warm amber and earthy patchouli, creating a rich, sophisticated scent profile. This combination leans towards a deep floral aroma with a slightly oriental twist, which is ideal if you enjoy fragrances that are both feminine and complex. Burberry as a brand often emphasizes heritage and quality, and this perfume reflects that with a carefully balanced composition designed to last throughout the day. In terms of daily use, I found My Black to be quite versatile. Applying it in the morning gave me a noticeable but not overpowering scent that evolved beautifully over several hours. The jasmine and rose are delicate at first, but gradually deepen into the amber and patchouli notes, offering a cozy, elegant vibe by evening. I wore it during work and into a casual dinner, and it held up well without needing a touch-up. The sillage is moderate, enough to make a presence without overwhelming a room, which is perfect for office environments or intimate settings. The bottle itself is sleek and understated, with a classic black design that speaks luxury without being flashy. It feels sturdy and well-crafted, making it a nice addition to any vanity. The spray mechanism delivers a fine mist that disperses evenly, which helps in controlling the application so you don't end up overdoing it. If I'm honest, the only downside might be that this fragrance isn't for everyone. If you prefer lighter, fresher perfumes or something more fruity, My Black could feel a bit heavy or intense. Also, while the scent is long-lasting, those with sensitive noses might find the amber and patchouli notes a little strong initially. But if you love deep florals and a scent that evolves with your day, this perfume definitely delivers. Is it worth the price? Burberry perfumes are positioned in the luxury category, so the price is on the higher side. However, considering the complexity of the fragrance, the longevity, and the brand prestige, I find it justifiable for anyone who wants a sophisticated scent that stands out from the crowd. Compared to other floral oriental perfumes in the market, My Black holds its own with a unique blend that feels both modern and timeless. If you're exploring alternatives, some might find options like Jo Malone's Peony and Blush Suede or Yves Saint Laurent's Black Opium more accessible price-wise, though they offer different scent profiles, lighter or sweeter respectively. Still, for those seeking a floral perfume with that deep, elegant twist, Burberry My Black is a strong contender. So what's the final verdict? Burberry My Black Eau de Parfum is a beautifully crafted fragrance that suits anyone looking for a long-lasting floral scent with a hint of mystery and warmth. It's perfect for those who appreciate quality, a touch of luxury, and a perfume that can transition effortlessly from day to night. If this review has helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this review too. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth insights. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried Burberry My Black, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Do you love its rich floral notes, or is it not quite your style? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.